Generation portfolio, we have the
I really appreciate Kenyan's leadership also on the African continent, trying to achieve or willing to achieve 100% renewable green energy in 2030. Now we're changing the system to renewable energy. Why? Well, because it's climate neutral and it's cheap energy.
We are looking at the next 10 years in our strategy and looking at the demand and supply of power in this country. We believe we can be able to add another 1,500 megawatts. That will comprise about 840 megawatts from geothermal, about 140 from hydro, and the balance will come from wind and solar. We already have funding for about 300 megawatts, and we are engaging the financiers. And out of this visit by the Germans, because they are also financiers through their KfW.
Today, about 93% of our electricity is generated from renewable sources, with geothermal energy accounting for a significant share.